Thank you. I think it's very difficult because we talk about how much information the person has. I think it could be more pertinent in the situation of how little information they have. I mean, think about an officer who walks down the regular beat and there's a picture when there is some person lying on the sofa that looks like he's, you know, kind of an awkward position and keeps going down, and 2 hours later comes back, it's the same thing. Mm-hmm. He knows nothing about it except that the guy appears perhaps to be dead or passed out or something. So he knocks on the door, he knocks on the window and gets no response. And then figures, he's worried about it. He breaks the door down or picks the lock and he walks in and the person wakes up and there's, 3 kilos of whatever. And I mean, is that, is it wrong that he did that out of legitimate concern and he didn't know that, that's just, Fred or whatever?
We know that subject.
I'm just trying to think. I would want a police officer in a situation who walks by and sees somebody in the community that seems something's wrong. He hasn't moved in 4 hours. It doesn't look like he's taking a nap. But and then what happens? I mean, then does he have sufficient basis to justify the search that led to the illegal drugs? So he doesn't know anything. I mean, maybe if he knew a little more, or maybe his regular habit is to go to the pub at night, and that's why I find it very difficult to articulate a standard. I mean, I don't think it can be based on a probability of something going awry, or because you do want police to be, on the lookout for things that might be dangerous, even if it's not crime or criminal.
Certainly, but the court has always said subjective intent. So you might well be concerned as an officer or a first responder or even an ordinary citizen that something's going wrong inside the house, but there could also be innocuous explanations, even in the scenario that you just sketched out, Mr. Chief Justice. In a lot of the scenarios that Justice Kavanaugh similarly sketched out in his concurrence in Cornelia, it could tack either way, but oftentimes in those scenarios, the report, especially if it's from a neighbor or from a relative, is going to have a lot of information about why it's uncharacteristic, why this is weird, and that is powerful information and can be linked up with corroborating evidence to support going in, and at least it guards against unnecessary and needlessly dangerous confrontations.